Hello, sir and ma'am. Good day. I'm Joy Constantino. I'm 41 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm a single mom. I have one child. He's 5 years old. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I'm the eldest in the family. I worked as a housemaid in Hong Kong in 14 years. My first employer, we have 4 members in the family, 1 newborn and 1 child, and 2 adults. My second employer, we have 4 members in the family, 1 newborn and toddler, and 2 adults. And my third employer, we have 3 members in the family, 1 toddler and 2 adults. My duties and my responsibilities are cleaning, do laundry, cooking, marketing, and taking care of the children. Sir and ma'am, I'm here for applying, and I promise that I will do my duties and my responsibilities. I follow your rules and regulation and to finish my contract. Thank you this for opportunity and hope you see you soon. God bless.